Hi everyone, Grayson here, and welcome to my garden channel. In today's video, I am going to be planting up some beautiful fall color here in my flower bed by the driveway. This is a beautiful winning combination because yellow and purple are opposites on the color wheel and they always pop in the garden. They complement each other. Also, I have these beautiful red fall mums, and I've stated in a previous video where I hardly ever buy mums because they just never last, and I'm sure these won't either. However, they were only $3 a piece, and I thought, well, you know what, 12 bucks, I think I'll give it a try. So I'm gonna plant these and hopefully these will come back next year. The thing with mums that you always want to remember to get them to come back year after year is you want to get them in the ground early when you first purchase them. I'm talking spring if you can find them, so they can really establish themselves to survive your winter. Now on the tag it says that these mums are hardy and growing zone 5. So with me being in a growing zone 8A, these should come back next year. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these in the ground. We're gonna be using Biotone, a starter fertilizer, which is a root stimulator. So hopefully that will jumpstart the roots on these mums, go ahead and accelerate that root growth, and we can get them established before our ground freezes. Let's go ahead and get these plants in the ground. And that's going to do it for today's project, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and were inspired in some way. It feels really good to get some fall color here by the driveway. And as always, thank you for watching Gardening with Grayson. See you next time.